Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for tuning in. So today we are going to solve for the real value of a, given that we have a to the power of 9 plus a to the power of 6 is equals to 80. So a to the power of 9, I can write it as a to the power of 3, all this to the power of 3 plus a to the power of 6, I can write it as a to the power of 3, all this to the power of 2, minus 80 is equals to 0. Okay, so a to the power of 3 or a cubed is common. So we'll say let a to the power of 3 be y. So we will substitute with a to the power of 3 with y. So this will be y cubed plus y squared minus 80 is equals to 0. Okay, so I will write 8 to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 minus 64 minus 16 is equals to 0. So negative 64 minus 16 is equals to negative 80. Y to the power of 3 minus 64 plus y squared minus 16 is equals to 0. So y cubed minus 64, I can write it as 4 cubed plus y squared minus 464, we can write it as 4 squared is equals to 0. So we will present y cubed minus 4 cubed as a cubed minus b cubed is the same as writing a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So our y cubed is a cubed, our b cubed is our 4 cubed. So we are going to present it in this form, and this will be y minus 4 and y squared minus 4y plus 4 squared. So we've presented y cubed minus 4 cubed in this form. And for y squared minus 4 squared, we can write it using this formula: a squared minus b squared is equals to, or is the same as a minus b into a plus b. So we want to present this using this formula. And this will be y squared minus 4 squared will be y minus 4 into y plus 4. So we will combine these two expressions, this one here and this one here, we will combine them, and this will be y minus 4 into y squared minus 4y plus 4 squared, and this one here y minus 4 into y plus 4. So as you can see, y minus 4 is common, so we will factor it out. Y minus 4 is common. Y minus 4, we'll write it outside the bracket into y squared minus 4y plus y, this gives us 5y plus, so here it's plus, sorry for that, plus, so this will be y 5y plus, we have 4 squared which is 16 plus 4, this gives us 20 is equals to 0. So we are going to equate this term here with the 0 and this term here with the 0, and this will be y minus 4 is equals to 0, or y squared plus 5y plus 20 is equals to 0. So here will be y is equals to 4, bringing this 4 on this side, y is equals to 4, and we want to look for the real values of y. We formed a quadratic equation here So we are going to solve it using this formula. Delta is equals to b squared minus 4ac, where our a is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1. A is equals to 1. Our b is our middle term here, 5. B is equals to 5, and our c here is 20. C is equals to 20. So we will substitute these values in this formula. B squared, this is 5 squared, which is 25. So delta is equals to 25 minus 4 times a here, which is 1, times c here, which is 20. So delta is equals to 25 minus 4 times 4, this is 4, times 20, this gives us 80. Delta is equals to negative 25 minus 80, this gives us negative 55. So 55 is less than 0. 55 is less than 0, so we will rejected. So delta is equals to negative 55. We've rejected that. So we remain with y is equals to 4. So our real value for y here is 4. We are going to use 4. Remember, we had said let a cubed is equals to y. So we have y here as 4. So let us solve for a. A cubed is equals to y, and we have the value of y as 4. So what we'll do, we will write a cubed is equals to 4. So to get the value of a, we will cube root on both sides. So this is cube rooting, and this cube here will cancel, and will remain with a is equals to cube root of 4. Or rather, you can write a is equals to 4 to the power of a third. So this is our final answer. A is equals to, you can decide to write the cube root of 4, or a is equals to 4 to the power of a third. And this is the value of a. This is the value of a. So a is equals to cube root of 4, or a is equals to 4 to the power of 3. This is just the same. You can decide to write any of the answers which is correct. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye bye.